Hello guys. If your AO Smith water heater suddenly starts blinking a green light and you are unsure whether it means something is wrong or completely normal, it can definitely become confusing. Sometimes the light flashes while hot water still works fine, while other times heating changes unexpectedly and the blinking leaves people guessing what happened. A situation like this can happen because of normal operation, system status updates, temporary power interruptions, or settings that simply need a quick check. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth trying because many AO Smith water heater blinking light situations can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to understand why an AO Smith water heater is blinking a green light and how to help fix common issues. Try these. Step 1. Observe the blinking pattern on the AO Smith water heater before making any changes. Step 2. Check power connected to the AO Smith water heater if the green light behavior changed suddenly. Step 3. Test hot water from the AO Smith water heater to confirm heating still works normally. Step 4. Review settings on the AO Smith water heater if temperatures feel different than usual. Step 5. Restart the AO Smith water heater briefly if the blinking seems unusual or inconsistent. Step 6. Recheck the AO Smith water heater and confirm the green light returns to normal behavior.